Hi refiners! Today is day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas strategic tips with Tammy Services Corporation. So as you can see, we're in the swing of things. It's working, it's going. I appreciate all the contacts. I appreciate the messages. And I just wanted to say for day 5, it's all about tracking progress. So as you can see, I have lots of progress. I have lots of tracking mechanisms. So I have the computer, I have paper, I even have it on the whiteboard. So for day 5, tracking progress, it's all about when you track, you improve. When you check in with your progress, then you can make some adjustments as you need with confidence. So reach out to Tammy Services Corporation. We'll develop some strategic steps. I think it says it on the whiteboard. So on the whiteboard, it says to next and to better. That's the goal, right? To next, it's all about advancement. To better, it's about refinement. Then it's connect with Tammy Services Corporation. Yay! And discuss your visions, your plans, and your dreams. And then we're going to advance with strategic steps as we develop them. And because this is about tracking progress, we'll also be having some tracking mechanisms to make sure that we're on the right path. The alignment with your truth and your purpose and your passions, you're going to get there as we track, as we progress. So thanks for tuning in to day 5. Looking forward to day 6. Have a great day.